how to find and buy mutual funds with Etrade. In this video, we're going to go through it exactly on Etrade, how to find the mutual funds, then actually how to buy them, how to use a filter, how to filter down and find exactly type of mutual funds that you're looking for and how to actually purchase them. But if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you're now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prentice Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. How to buy mutual funds with Etrade. So you log into your Etrade account. You're going to go to Market and Ideas. Right up on the Market and Ideas, you're going to go to Mutual Fund. Click on Mutual Fund Screener. Hopefully I said that right. You want to screen the mutual funds. Now it's going to bring you to the screen here, right? Now when you go to, this is the overview here. Click here where it says Screener. Now up under this screener, what you're going to do, you have a couple ways you can look for it. It says refine your stream. You can do it a couple ways. If you want all-star, if you want no load, no ETFs, you can do that. Hey, I want an all-star fund, no load ETF. It's only 6 that's left. Now you can have predefined strategies. You want a core mutual fund, which is the core. You hover over it, it'll tell you what the core means, meaning I want the core to be inside of a major index. You want a satellite, one that becomes speculative. You want to actively manage diversified strategy, whatever you want, right? Now you can go down here to the fund category. Let's say if you're looking for, I don't know, let's say domestic equity, which is domestic stocks. Click on domestic equity. You want a large blend, large growth, large value, whatever you want. Let's say if you want large value, right? Now the expense ratio, how do you want the expenses to be? Do you want them to be 0.5, 0.2? You can go down to there. You can go down to distribution yield. I want a high distribution yield. Maybe you're looking for to collect the dividend. That could be major for you. Index correlation. You want it to correlate with the S&P 500, whatever the case may be. So these are the filters you put on. And as you're filtering down, these are your results. It's going to say right here with the filters that I have on, they have 4 that falls into my category. So here we go. Boom. You can hover over it. One way you can hover over it. This tells me this stock is, this mutual fund is $14, right? And I can click here, hit the buy button if I want to buy right away. I have the Morningstar rating. It tells me the fund category, the net assets of 1.09 billion. Gross expense ratio is 1.3. Manager 10 years, 17 years. Somebody's been managing for 17 years. And you want to look more into it, click on it. Once you click on it, now you just go down and you can see the fees. You can put it on a chart. Once you add it onto the chart, you can stretch it out year to date. So far this year, put the S&P 500 on it. Okay, it has underperformed the S&P 500. Go back to snapshot, and then you can see, go hit to portfolio. Portfolio will tell you exactly the top 10 holdings. Okay, they got JP Morgan in here. They have Intel. They got Johnson & Johnson. They got Target in here. All these other great things. Now, let's say if you like this company after doing a brief evaluation of it, you look into fun and everything, you like it, you go here, you click your buy button. You click your buy button right here at the top right. You click your buy button. And then with the mutual funds, it's going to ask you, some mutual funds have a minimum. You got to be very, very tricky about that. Right here, this tells you right here, initial investment. Pay attention, initial investment. It may be $500. It may be a $5,000 or whatever, right? And additional investments, it may require you to put, if you want to add to it, it may be $200 or whatever the case may be. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you have your mutual fund. That's how you can find a mutual fund, and that's how you can buy it using Etrade. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me doing around the globe, peace, be safe. I'm out, and thank you.